Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I am going to tell you about the best data structure and algorithm course on the YouTube for free. And I am currently doing this course, so I am the best reviewer for this course. There are many videos on YouTube which tells you about the best data structure and algorithm course. But why I am best? Because I am doing this course. I learn everything from zero, from scratch. They are the instructor and they are know everything. So while they are watching this course, they know already all the topics. So they can understand everything. But I am not. So I am the best reviewer for you. So watch this video till end to understand which is the best data structure and algorithm course on YouTube. So before moving forward, we are just thinking about what are the main things which we want as an audience. For example, there are complete topics. In data structure and algorithm, there are many topics which we have to understand. There are less important topics as well, but in the course, in particular course, we want all the topics. Nothing matter that they are less important or highly important. We want all the topics. This is the main priority of this course. There are many other courses which can deduct the topics which are not important enough. So we don't want them. We can watch this course and the remaining topics which are not covered in this course, we can learn these topics from another course. This is the one particular way, but this is not a very efficient way, because if we learn these topics, if we learn these all topics from one particular educator, then it means we like them. So why we shift the course for the next remaining topics? So this is the one factor which we have to take it in mind. Second thing is method of teaching. There are many creators who are teaching DSS course who are teaching with n number of methods. Like some creators are teaching on the whiteboard, some creators are teaching on the computer screen, some creators are doing animation and graphics to understand the whole topics of DSA. So before moving forward and before creating any suspense, I just tell you which is the course which I am talking about. The course is DSA Lovabbar. This is the best course I ever seen for DSA. This course, the courses link is in the description. You can click on the description and watch this playlist. There are multiple topics which are covered in this video, which is less important, highly important. All the topics are covered. The second thing about the course is Lovabbar is teaching in the very friendly manner or in the friendly language. For example, we understand Hindi, so we understand Hindi very well. So this course is all in Hindi. And second thing that the examples or the structure ways to explain the particular topic is in the very friendly manner or very local manner. For example, there is an example of shopkeeper. There is an example of very little things which are we facing as a normal day. The third thing about this course is that the creator is very expert in coding, and he was in the Amazon, he was in the Microsoft, and currently he is doing his own business for this particular sector. There are many other courses on YouTube as well. For example, Code with Harry DSA, Apni Kaksha DSA, Apna College DSA, sorry. So these are the courses. There are many courses, lot of courses. If you type just on YouTube that DSA courses and just apply the playlist option, you will encounter every courses on YouTube for DSA. So until now, I'll give you three courses, which is Lovabbar course, Apna College course, and Code with Harry course. So these three are the best courses for DSA. Difference between these three courses is absolutely fine, because all three teachers are very good at coding and covered all the topics. So from my side, my suggestion is DSA Lovabbar course, which is absolutely free. And so guys, these are the options. You can go with the Lovabbar course. This is the best course you will ever seen on YouTube. And there are many other options like in Udemy, Coursera. There are many other websites which is paid website, of course. So you can learn DSA as well from them, or you can learn DSA in the physical classroom. For example, in my engineering background, in second year there is a subject called data structure. So I can understand all topics which we cover in the YouTube. And the same topics are covered in that particular course as well. So guys, that's it for the video. I hope you understand which course is best for you. There are only three courses which you have to take in mind: Lovabbar course, Code with Harry course, and Apna College course. These are the three top courses which I suggest you for the DSA. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. And यार guys, मैं अभी आगे जो भी वीडियो आने वाली है वो इंग्लिश में बनाऊंगा. मेरी इंग्लिश इतनी अच्छी नहीं है, वो आपको अपने इस वीडियो पे देख ही लिया होगा. मैं बहुत अटकता हूँ और मेरी इंग्लिश इतनी फ्लुएंट नहीं है, लेकिन वो मेरे को फ्लुएंट बनानी है. तो ये मेरा मिशन है कि अभी आगे से जितनी भी वीडियो बनाऊंगा वो सारी इंग्लिश में बनाऊंगा. सेकंड थिंग, आपको थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्रोमाइज करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि स्टार्टिंग में मेरी इंग्लिश इतनी अच्छी नहीं होगी ऑफकोर्स, लेकिन 8-10 वीडियो के बाद आई थिंक मेरी इंग्लिश इतनी अच्छी हो जाएंगी कि आप मेरे को आसानी से सुन सकते हैं. तो गाइस, इतना था इस वीडियो में. अगर आपको मेरी इंग्लिश से कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो यार वेरी सॉरी. अगर आपको मेरी हिंदी से वीडियो देखनी है तो आप मेरे को कमेंट सेक्शन में बात कर सकते हैं, या फिर मेरे को इंस्टाग्राम पे लिख सकते हैं, तो मैं आपको वहां पे आराम से समझा दूंगा। सो अगर आपको मेरे से कुछ इसके बारे में जानना हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में आपकी कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल दे दो, मैं आपको कॉन्टैक्ट कर दूंगा। तो गाइस थैंक यू फॉर सपोर्ट, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय।